Whenever I'm bored, I enjoy painting to pass the time. It's relaxing and I love to look at the end results. But sometimes, painting on canvas gets old and I like to mix it up a little. So today, we got this pack of wooden mushrooms that we can paint however we see fit. The set comes shipped to your door with a pack of 15 unfinished wooden mushroom pieces. They come in 7 different shapes and give you plenty of different sizes to work with. This set is the perfect DIY pack to tailor to your project. You can use them to decorate a room, use them to paint fun 3D projects, or even use them to make your own little mushroom wonderland. Before this, I would paint on mushrooms digitally, but now I can paint on physical 3D mushrooms that I can hold in my hand. This is so much more fun. I've been painting off and on this past week, and whenever I get free time, I work on some mushrooms. Me personally, I like designing trippy fantasy mushrooms. They are mushrooms after all. It's okay to get creative. And trust me, I did. I never know what an end product will look like. I just paint what I feel like at the moment and watch it come alive. It's fun to be creative and design unique things, and these wooden mushrooms have helped me do just that. We've created a lot of fun mushrooms now, and have a lot more unfinished pieces to keep us entertained for many days to come. Now I can hunt for mushrooms during the day and paint mushrooms in the evening. If you'd like to paint some mushrooms as well, this pack of mushrooms might just be for you. If you'd like to get some for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go paint some more mushrooms. See ya!